Samsung continues to lead the way in foldable smartphone innovation, and with Huawei recently launching its first commercial trifold device globally, anticipation for Samsung's own version has never been higher. The Samsung G Fold is expected to revolutionize the smartphone tablet experience, fulfilling the vision that began with the first fold device 6 years ago. While previous models have offered larger displays, they never truly merged the functionality of both a smartphone and a tablet. However, with a 6.5-inch cover screen and a 10-inch main display, the G Fold is set to change that, delivering a fully immersive experience in a pocket-sized form factor. According to leaks by Panda Flash on X, the G Fold's frame and one hinge will be similar to the Fold series, but its second hinge introduces a groundbreaking design element. Unlike Huawei's Mate X-T, which features an outward folding mechanism that leaves the cover screen exposed to scratches and damage, Samsung is adopting a G-style folding mechanism. This design keeps the main display safely wrapped inside, offering significantly better durability compared to Huawei's S-style fold. Since this method requires a larger second hinge, one major question is how it will affect crease visibility. Samsung is reportedly using an advanced flexible glass that is thinner than what's found in the Fold 7, and while the crease won't be entirely invisible, it will be similar to what's seen in the Fold 6, only noticeable when viewed closely. In terms of design, Samsung is maintaining its shift toward flat-sided frames, and the G Fold will follow the same sleek aesthetic as the Fold 7. The camera module will be centered on the back, incorporating Samsung's signature camera ring design. One area where Samsung has yet to match its Chinese rivals is in achieving ultra-thin foldables. According to reports from Lanzuk, the G Fold will have a weight comparable to the Huawei Mate X-T but will be slightly thicker, likely due to its enhanced hinge structure and durability. Recent leaks by Panda Flash Pro suggest that Samsung is equipping the G Fold with a cutting-edge camera system, featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera. The front camera is expected to be 10 megapixels, while the inner display may house a 4-megapixel sensor, though its resolution remains unconfirmed. As these details originate from an internal prototype, there's a chance specification could change before the final release. The G Fold is not expected to launch alongside the Fold 7, with production rumored to begin in August. This means the device is likely to arrive early next year. Much like Huawei's strategy with its trifold, Samsung is expected to limit the initial release to select markets before expanding globally. Given its cutting-edge technology and premium design, the G Fold will undoubtedly be positioned as a high-end device. While official pricing details remain undisclosed, industry insiders anticipate it will be one of Samsung's most expensive foldables yet.